I will do a pocket like this with opener like that and with buttons the same size with this polo collar only on the right side, one pocket only. So the mandarin I set aside the mandarin collar because I will do embroidery there on the chest. And then the next collar that I'm going to do after this pocket is like this. There is mandarin collar, and then at the top of the mandarin collar is a polo collar. That is the next that I will do after this pocket. But it is sleeveless, so you have idea how to stitch sleeveless. Okay, let's begin. So the size of my pocket is, the length is 4.25 or 4 1/4 inches, and the width is 3.5 inches, and the cover is the same as this, 3.5 inches, and the length is 2 inches. Okay, I'll draw like that. This one was the pocket. 3, I will just follow the edge of this so it is straight, and then I will put 0.5 centimeter each side all over the pocket. Okay, so the length is 4.25. I'll show it in the camera. 4.25. And the width is 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. Here. .25. This, the width is 3.5. There. I'll show you later. Approximately the allowance is 1 cm, 1 cm. That's good. It's okay, I'll just make allowance. .25. Like that. The length is 4.25. I just corrected it. And this one is 3.5. So this one is 4.25 inches. This one is 3.5 inches. I have to put 1 cm, 1 cm allowances there for folding it. 1 cm only is enough because it will be thick. It's hard to stitch. 0.5 centimeter all over of them. Like that. Okay, they have already half centimeter. I will draw it straight. Okay, so it's done for the pocket, and then I will do the upper one, the cover. The cover is the same width with this at the top, 3.5. Width, and then the length is 2 inches only. There you go, 2 inches. So there is this is the cover, 2 inches length and 3.5 width, 3.5 inches for the width, the same as the pocket. So because there is a design like that arrow, so I will get 3.5 width like that. I have to get the half of that. It's easy, you don't need calculator, like just like this, 3.5, and then you can get the half of that is 1 3/4, right? 1 3/4 there, 1 3/4. So 1 3/4 is the half. I have to trace it, detect it, because I will draw an arrow. This is the middle of this half of the 3.5 is 1 3/4. So I have to draw the middle of that and draw like this, right? Like that. Just, you see this, 2 inches. So you have to get this allowance, 1 inch down before you draw the arrow, 1 inch down. There. There you go. I have to draw the 1 inch down to draw the arrow like that. See it? So it will not be that long, the arrow. There you go. Beautiful, right? It's like a wallet, eh? Then I will put 1 cm allowances, including the arrow for folding. There is an extra, it's okay. I will show you later how to fold the V shape of that arrow. there. Then draw the allowance 1 cm, straight like that. The V shape is like this, including the allowance. And then I will turn off the camera because the video is already long, and the next video is the cutting of this pattern and cutting